Praise the Lord, ASCC family. God bless you. This is your pastor, Dr. Festus Adeyeye, saying hello to you. I know it's snowy outside, it's slushy, but we bless God for His grace over our lives. Last week was great. It was awesome. The topic on love. And this week we're going to continue our series on the love of God. And this week we're going to be looking at who is love. Love is a person. Love has a personality. And until we know who love is, we will never be able to fully walk in the love of God. Knowledge is powerful. God said, "You shall know the truth, and the truth will set you free." When we know the truth about love, we're going to be able to maximize love. So I look forward to seeing you this weekend, Friday, powerful prayer service and Holy Communion, and Sunday, I'm looking forward to the 8:15 service or the 10:30. God bless you. Bring your family and let us understand who love is so we can maximize Him and be able to walk in victory. God bless.